Welcome to MNR's digital classes. In this series, that we are going to cover the digital electronics topic. This total digital electronics syllabus is covered in 5 sessions. In the first session, we are going to discuss analog and digital systems, signals, Boolean algebra, and logical operations. Analog signal, it is the information means whatever the data which we need to store, for example a voice or a video or audio, anything is which is to be processed, analyzed and stored is called as information. In analog systems, the information is generally called as analog signal. An analog signal is represented by continuous set of variations of its voltage level. In digital systems, the information is called as digital signal, and the digital information is represented by a discrete set of values of its voltage level. The analog and digital signals are best represented as shown in these figures. The first one, analog signal, is in its simplest form is represented by a sine wave, whereas a digital signal is represented by a square wave as shown in the figures. Now let us understand the basic differences between analog and digital signals. The first difference, analog signal, it is represented by continuous range of values. That is, the voltage value will continuously vary. Digital signal is represented by discrete set of values. Graphically, in simplest form, an analog signal is a sine wave or cosine wave. Similarly, a digital signal in its simplest form is a square or rectangular wave. In analog systems, the information signal is recorded in its original form, that is, the phase, amplitude and frequency is not altered and it remains in its original form. Whereas in digital systems, the digital signal is converted into binary values. All the information is in the form of binary values 0 and 1. The recorded information is more accurate because, as I mentioned in the third point, analog signals carries the original information, therefore it is more accurate. Whereas in digital signals, the recorded information is less accurate because it is converted into binary values, so there may be a chance of loss of information when we move from one system to another system. Fifth one, the noise level is very high in analog system. That is because the output consists of infinite set of values, and hence the analog operation will more complicated and less reliable. Whereas in digital signal, the noise level is low. That is because the output has finite set of values, that is binary values 0 and 1. Hence the digital operation is more reliable. The examples of analog signals include a human voice, best example, any natural sound, or any information produced in using solid state electronic devices. Digital signals, examples for digital signals is this information or the data from the digital electronic devices such as computers, calculators and microprocessors, etc. A digital circuit is an electronic circuit which processes, analyzes, that is amplifies only the digital signal is called digital circuit. Now let us understand in brief about the Boolean algebra. In digital electronics, we know that the output voltage level of a digital circuit is either in the form of low or high and no other value. It is a binary state. It means it has only two states of operation. These two states are represented as high and low, or on and off, 0 and 1, etc. There are different ways of representing the two state operations. The best and most popular is 0 and 1. In 1854, George Boole, an English mathematician, developed a mathematical tool for the analysis and design of digital circuits. This new kind of algebra or the mathematical system is called as Boolean algebra. So we can define the Boolean algebra as the algebra used to symbolically describe the logical functions or operations. We have three basic logical operations or Boolean operations. The first one, AND function. The logical AND function is equivalent to logical multiplication. And remember that this logical multiplication is different from conventional algebraic multiplication. The logical AND operation between two Boolean variables a and b is written as y is equal to a dot b. Second logical operation is the OR function. This OR function is called as logical addition. The logical OR operation between two Boolean variables a and b is written as y is equal to a plus b. This plus is different from conventional mathematical addition. The third one, the NOT function. It is also called as the logical complementation or inversion. This NOT function or the logical operation changes the logic level 1 to 0 and vice versa and is expressed as y is equal to a bar. The Boolean, next one is Boolean function. Boolean function is an algebraic expression formed with one or more binary variables, logical operation symbols, parenthesis and equal sign. For example, the Boolean function representing our logical operation is given by y is equal to a dot b. Here y is the output, a and b are the input variables, dot represents the logical operation, that is R function. Equality symbol connects the output with the input variables. Similarly, in AND function, y is equal to a plus b. Here plus symbol represents the AND logical operation. Y is the output, a and b are the input variables. Therefore, the relation Boolean function is y is equal to a plus b represents the logical AND operation. Third one, y is equal to a bar. This represents the Boolean function corresponding to logical NOT operation. Truth table. A truth table is compact way of representing